The transit in between the ABC Islands and what we call the mainlands, Paraguaná, Guajira, Falcon Coast, and Coro, has always been determined by the sea. Since the arrival of the first indigenous communities almost 3,000 years ago to the post-colonial times, when Aruba became a strategic military post and station for commerce. It is through the vantage point of the sea that we're able to truly understand our culture as a living transaction. We are a product of the merchants and religious doctrines that arrived and were implanted on our coasts. We are the living hybrid of exchange.
Rancho do multicultural pasubutado tayo hopi gente kutabinja fo funa hasi tira raíz na Aruba, el rancho banero tayo anda bindi de Venezuela, de Colombia, ¿dónde? Y el ranchero nango data pisca mayoría da helder dan, bota de helder dan, kwan dan, trom dan, ormanan, dan tabata pisca, skadonan bieu.
Rancho is one of the eldest neighborhoods of Playa, a fisherman community that is the living heritage of the commerce and exchange in between Aruba and what we call Terra Firme, coast of Venezuela and Colombia. A variety of products such as livestock, skin, coffee, whiskey were exchanged throughout the pre- and post-colonial times. Even limestones were baked at the currently still standing oven to be transported to Curaçao for construction purposes in the late 19th century. It is where the port of Aruba was established and where most commerce would enter the island.
Era de comercio. Mi abuelo estaba de primer contrabandista para Guajira venezolano y Guajira colombiano. Y mi ono estaba con también país mayor, pero ese acá será en Venezuela. Na corota de agua bota vai serán, para bota queda con lincaman. Él logra fui vía de un lieutenant que va a casar con prima de Ye. Pero mi homo estaba haciendo desconfiada, confié. Último el lieutenant dijo, no entiende que me está casado con tal talento. Bota guague bote, e bote bota lo allí bien Ye, y estaba en ave hora. Así na mi oma logra hui fejanan.
Contrabandismo refers to the smuggling trade, a term commonly used to coin this transaction. Rather than the negative connotation it upholds, the community of Puerto Estrella, Riohacha, Maicao, and Rancho saw it as a survival method, merely a means for two isolated economies to exchange. In between the 1950s and 1970s, boats would recurrently depart on a Friday to arrive in Aruba on a Saturday to sell their goods. Maicao, which is also a port city on the border of Venezuela and Colombia, used to be a free zone area, meaning taxes did not have to be paid for export.
Bueno, anda iba diferente, pues, siempre anda iba whisky, tabaco, diferente con anda iba, baña. Como sa que nanta territorio europeo sempre está bom faia, bom tela, o picon anda iba, provisión comida que con de manera funchi dava un po' essencial con anda gusta iba para Guajira. E in già anda gusta come funchi gel. Andava da ibe rabi porco também bari e coni e opi provisión jarginal.
There's still a nostalgic feeling around this type of living transaction that was happening in between Aruba and La Guajira. The following piece is by contemporary artist Ryan Odeberg together with Stichting Rancho called Aruba La Guajira 2017.
La gente de aquí de la Alta Guajira, que eran las familias que iban en las goletas, aquellas no eran unos barcos grandes, eran unos barcos de tamaño pequeño delante de los barcos que hay hoy en día. Y esos barcos iban a Aruba y llevaban comida, pieles, arroz, fruta, carne, y llevaban una cantidad de cosas. Inclusive llegaron a llevar hasta materiales de construcción, como cemento, varilla, de hierro. Todo esto dio la posibilidad de un gran intercambio.